Welcome back to Plant Realm, my friends. If you can see your neighbor when you are having coffee on your patio, this video is for you today. I will show you the 10 best evergreen trees for privacy, trees that grow fast, stay green all year and block your neighbors for good. These are the trees that homeowners all over America are planting right now, from Texas to Florida to Ohio, and please stay until number one. Number one is the number one bestseller in America. It grows 3 feet per year, and most people plant it the wrong way. I will show you the right way at the end. Let us start with number 10. Number 10, Norway spruce. This tree is very strong. It can survive -40 degrees, snow, ice, heavy wind. It stays green. It grows up to 60 feet tall, so you need space. If you have a big yard in the north, in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Vermont, this is a great choice. It grows 1 to 2 feet per year. It is very cheap, and it lives for 100 years. Plant it 12 to 15 feet apart, and give it space from your house. Number 9, American pillar arborvitae. Do you have a narrow side yard? Maybe only 5 feet wide. This tree is for you. It grows 30 feet tall, but only 3 to 4 feet wide, like a green tower. I saw a home in North Carolina. The owner planted 8 of these, 3 feet apart. In 2 years, you could not see the neighbor's house at all. It grows 3 feet per year. That is very fast. It stays dark green, even in winter. No brown color. Zones 3 to 8, full sun. 6 hours a day. Number 8, American holly. If you want privacy and security, listen to this. The leaves of American holly are spiky, like nature's barbed wire. No one wants to walk through it, even the police. Recommend it for under windows. It grows 30 to 50 feet tall. Zones 5 to 9 in winter. It has beautiful red berries. Cardinals love these berries. It grows 1 to 2 feet per year. Slow at first, then fast. Wear gloves when you prune it. The leaves are sharp. Number 7, Spartan juniper. Do you live where it is very hot? Texas, Arizona, Oklahoma. Many trees turn brown and die in the heat. Not this one. Spartan juniper loves hot sun, loves dry soil once it is established. You never need to water it. It grows 12 to 15 feet tall, 3 to 4 feet wide, very neat shape. No pruning needed, ever. It grows 12 to 18 inches per year. Zones 4 to 9, perfect for driveways and sunny fences. Number 6, Eastern red cedar. This tree was here before America. It is the toughest tree on this list. It grows in clay, rocky soil, poor soil, drought. It grows almost everywhere. Zones 2 to 9, it grows 1 to 2 feet per year. 40 to 50 feet tall. The leaves are soft, blue-green, and smell wonderful. Birds love the blueberries in the fall. One warning: if you have apple trees nearby, do not plant it. It can have a disease called cedar apple rust. But if you have tough soil where nothing grows, this is your tree, and it is very cheap. Now, we are in the top 5. These 5 can increase the value of your home. If you are enjoying this video, please press the like button. It helps our small channel so much. Number 5, Italian cypress. Do you want your home to look like a $2 million home in California? Look at this tree, tall, thin, elegant like a pencil, 40 to 70 feet tall, only 3 to 6 feet wide. It grows 2 to 3 feet per year. Very fast, but important. Only for warm places. Zones 7 to 10. California, Texas, Arizona, Florida. If you live in a cold place, it will die in winter. It is perfect for a luxury look. by the pool or the driveway, very drought tolerant. Number 4, Nellie R. Stevens Holly. This is the faster, thicker cousin of American holly. In the South, Texas, Georgia, South Carolina, landscapers love it. They call it the instant wall. It grows 2 to 3 feet per year, 20 to 30 feet tall, 10 feet wide. So dense, you cannot see through it. Even in winter, it has red berries that birds love. It grows in sun or part shade. Plant them 5 to 6 feet apart. In 2 years, you have a solid wall. Number 3, Emerald Green Arborvitae. Why do you see this tree in every nice neighborhood? Because it is perfect. It stays perfect green in minus 20 degrees. No brown, it stays a perfect cone shape. 12 to 14 feet tall, 3 to 4 feet wide. No pruning ever, and every homeowners association loves it. It grows 12 to 18 inches per year. Zones 3 to 8. One tip, deer love to eat it in winter. So, spray deer repellent in December. Plant 3 to 4 feet apart for a hedge. Number 2, Leyland Cypress. This is the king of fast privacy. It grows 3 to 4 feet per year. Yes, 3 to 4 feet in 3 years. You have a 12-foot wall in 5 years. A 20-foot wall, soft. Blue-green leaves, beautiful. 40 to 70 feet tall. Zones 6 to 10. But I must be honest with you. This tree needs good drainage. Good soil if you plant it in heavy clay that holds water. It can get sick and die in year 5, so plant it 6 to 8 feet apart. Give it air. Do not plant 4 feet apart if you have well-drained soil and need privacy yesterday. This is your tree. Number 1, Thuja Green Giant, the number 1 best-selling privacy tree in America. 5 years in a row, and here is my secret. I promised you at the beginning. Everyone thinks Leyland Cypress is faster. It is not. Thuja Green Giant grows just as fast, 3 feet per year, but it does not get sick. It is disease-resistant, deer-resistant. It grows in clay, loam, sand, zones 5 to 9 from Maine to Texas. 40 to 60 feet tall, dense, all the way to the ground, from the very bottom to the top. No gaps ever. It lives for 60 years, and the spacing secret. Do not plant 4 feet apart. Many people do to get fast privacy. Then in year 4, they turn brown inside and die. Plant 5 to 6 feet apart. Yes, you will see small gaps. The first year. In year 2, they touch. In year 3, they close perfectly, and they will stay healthy for 50 years. That is how the professionals do it. Quick recap. My friends, big cold yard, Norway spruce. Narrow side yard, American pillar, security. American holly, hot and dry. Spartan juniper, tough soil. Eastern red cedar, luxury look. Italian cypress, fast and dense in the south. Nellie Stevens, neat and formal. Emerald green, fastest instant wall. Leyland, overall best for most people. Thuja Green Giant, bonus tip before you go. 3 things to make them grow twice as fast. 1. Water deep. Not every day, twice a week. Slow trickle for 20 minutes at the base. Deep water means deep roots, means fast growth. 2. Do not fertilize when you plant. Wait 90 days, then in spring. 1 handful of holly tone. 3. Mulch. 3 inches of pine bark around the tree, but leave 3 inches of space from the trunk. This keeps the soil moist and keeps weeds away. Do these 3 things, and your wall will be closed in just 2 years. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which tree is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I read every comment and I will reply to you. If this video helped you, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Plant Realm. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you have a neighbor who needs privacy too, please share this video with them. Thank you so much for watching Plant Realm. I will see you in the next video. Happy planting, my friend.